Hello, Khoa.
Yeah, hello.
Do you prefer eating out or cooking at home?
I prefer eating at home. I can cook, but my grandmother cooks for the family. She's an amazing cook. There's something special about sharing a home cooked meal. It's healthier and it's also more affordable comparing to eating out.
What sports are popular in your country?
Yes. Football is by far the most popular sport in my country. Uh, There are games being played all the time, but it requires a large playing to play. Um, Among students, badminton is the most popular since it doesn't require too much equipment and skills.
Hmm. Are bikes popular in your country?
We are talking about the normal kind of bikes and not motorcycles. It's not the most popular, but it's still being used a lot by students. It's more convenient, affordable, it's lighter uh, it's overall just a better choice for short short distance travel.
City or countryside?
There are advantages and disadvantages to both. In the country, there are more access to medical, uh, shopping, uh, entertainment, uh, but it's more polluted and crowded. Uh, in the countryside, it is more peaceful and quiet, but it lacks the medical accessibility and is also more boring. I think the city might take the edge here since I'll have more chance for academic and business.
How has your hometown changed recently?
I was born and raised in Ho Chi Minh City, and over the years, it has undergone a lot of changes. Uh, uh, More buildings and large projects are being built, uh, and it's reshaping the city. But however, it's also replacing the old charm and nature of the city.
Very good, Khoa. That was excellent. I think you did a great job. Definitely.